Well, check it out, you guys. We found it. Hey, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. This is going to be good. So, you saw from the thumbnail that we were trying to find this abandoned cabin. So, stick with us. We're going to go find this abandoned cabin. Well, we already found it, but I'm going to show you finding it. And I'm also going to introduce you guys to the brand new machine. Woo! I am excited. So, first off, we're going to check out the new machine. Then we're going to do a little trail ride on the machine, show you how it works. And then maybe we're going to take a little tour of this cabin. So anyway, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. And let's go check this new machine out. Well, here it is, you guys. Check this out. You guys thinking X3 Max is going to work for Rocky Mountain Backcountry? We do some pretty nasty stuff. There it is. Woo, we are loving it. I've had this old girl for about 2 weeks now. She has close to 500 miles on it already. And yeah, you got to know if it's going to work. So I'll tell you what, I love it. I'm not too concerned about the length. We've done some pretty crazy stuff already, and we're going to do some more. I like it. I like being able to take 4 people. I like the quiet factory exhaust, right? Did I just get old? I think I just got old. Anyway, I love the ride. You can see I've done some things to it. Check it out. I'm going to show you what I did, and we'll go from there. The very first thing I did was front bumper and a winch. That is EMP front bumper, and that was a pain in the butt to install. You got to cut these holes through the front end there. Of course, their holes don't line up. I've got to drill new holes and put bolts in there. The thing that I like about it is it comes back and it ties into the frame. So that bumper ties into the frame down there, up here, over there. And the winch is tucked in there nicely. And I like that it has the spot for the light bar in there. You guys, what do you think? That EMP bumper, I think that looks pretty dang good. I took the mirrors off the XRC. And how about that factory Can-Am intrusion bar? You don't see those on an X3 Max. That was left over after we put the new cage on the XRC. So, was sitting there. I think it looks pretty sick on there. I'm gonna leave it there. Next, what other mod did we do? We put the rear bumper from the XRC on the Max. I'll tell you what, you guys, that is that fiery red 5,500 pound winch, and that thing does the trick. I have used and used and used that winch. And look down the side of this old girl. Holy smokes. That is ridiculous. So, yeah, that little bit more length puts me into a little bit more brush. But I'm good with that. Other modification, I really like the mud terrain TAs. I took those off of the XRC, and I put the factory tires from this on the XRC. You saw that in the last video. And that's it, you guys, for now. Of course, we got the Auxbeam lights. You saw those with the bumper. And let's see. Nothing inside has changed yet. The plan is for the rugged radios. I've got that coming out of the XRC. I ordered a new centerpiece for the XRC. So we'll put that new centerpiece in the XRC and then swap everything over for the rugged radios. Let me know what you guys think about that cage. If we should leave the factory cage or replace it. I really like it with the intrusion bars. And I'm going to go ahead and order a windshield. I'm not sure if I'm going to replace the cage right away. Then maybe that'll come next spring. But anyway, woo, what do you guys think? X3 Max for Rocky Mountain Backcountry. check out some of this upcoming trail video, you guys. It is amazing. That thing, whew, look how long that is. From there all the way back to there. I think the back end of that thing is in a different zip code. Let's go hit the trail, see what this old girl will do. In an unexpected sequence in the vlog, here we are on the side of the road. So last night I was setting up the winch and I bumped that right there, unhooked the fan. Guess what? I got somebody bringing me some antifreeze. Look at all that. She spewed antifreeze. I got to the top of this hill right here and oh well, if I would have known that was unplugged, I would have plugged it back in, but I didn't find it until it was too late. So I was told that right up here above me in this on this trail that I'm taking you guys on is an old sheep herder's cabin. It's kind of been abandoned for a lot of years, but anyway, we're gonna hit this little trail, see if we can find this abandoned sheep cabin. All right, you guys, I've been on this trail before. I've never gone all the way through. So at the time, I didn't know about the little cabin, but this is gonna be a challenge for Shamu. And, cause she's a long old girl. And that length hasn't hindered me too much so far. I've got 465 miles on it right now. And I've had it for 2 weeks. So I put her through the paces. I don't know how much room there is on this trail for Shamu too, but we're gonna find out right now. So, in case you guys are curious, I've got it in low front diff lock, and we're just chugging along. Uh-oh. I gotta go scout the trail. Let's go. It might not come this way. Yeah, there's no way I'm going that way. I don't see it going that way either. Maybe I missed a turn and it goes up back here. Look at that. This is where it goes. But then where from there? So it's at this point in the vlog that I've decided that trail doesn't go where I think it went, where I thought it went. I've hiked around up here a little bit, and I think it possibly could have gone. I think it could have possibly gone up this way, but there's no way that Shamu is gonna get even close. That's just what you gotta do with Shamu. Sometimes it takes a 2-point turn or a 5-point turn. But we'll get her done. You saw me coming up this. Let's look at it going down. It's always different on video. Really never does it justice. Like these boulders, like those boulders are like 2.5, 3 feet out of the ground. That's pretty sick. That was a lot different than the Arctic Cat Wildcat sport. Come to think of it, you guys, go back and check out my very first video. It was black on black on black. Yeah! The trail is right down through there. Down through there, winding around, back and forth and in and out and up and down. Anyway, one day you'll get to see the rest of that. But I believe the trail goes right up through here, and I'm hoping that it comes out at this abandoned cowboy cabin. That's a tight spot right there. We're to the top of the hill. I'm told that little cabin is right up on top of here somewhere. Man, this is cool. Look at that, you guys. Woo! What? What? Check that out. There's a 98 signature in the tree and an 81 signature in the tree. What? What? Dang. This is an old girl, you guys. Cows have known it's here. Check it out, a picnic table. How cool is that? old shake roof. Look at that, it's on cinder blocks. So, I don't know, you guys. Drop a comment down below and let me know what year or when you think this might have been put here. The cabin looks really old, but it's sitting on cinder blocks. Check out this old cheap camp trailer. Whew, let's keep checking it out. Oh, stink. Ugh, rodents. Check out that old stove. Oh, it stinks in there though. Ooh. Yuck. Ugh. Let's check out this part of it over here. That's a little sketchy. Wow. Pots and pans. Check out this old stove here, you guys. What? That is crazy. Doesn't look like there's been any water damage in here either. That shake roof might be holding up. All the damage I see is just rodents and time. Ugh. Take a nap on that bed, will you? How about these old windows? Sliders. That's kind of cool. Ugh. That one doesn't want to go anywhere. Looks like they had it locked up once. Not anymore. Anyway, check it out, you guys. I'm gonna put the drone up and get some drone footage. Let's do that. Well, all right, you guys, we won't be flying the drone. So, DJI has a bug with their software. I've had this happen to me too many times. Kind of sucks. Well, just a little part of the adventure. It's been raining, but we're in good shape. Check it out. I got my search and rescue backpack back there and a dry bag on that side. That had my drone in it. So I always come prepared. I've got food and water, and check this out right here on the dash of the X3 Max. Woo! We got a little freeze-dried pineapple to snack on. We're heating up some water for some freeze-dried chicken noodle stew. I don't know, you guys. That's Rocky Mountain backcountry, and it's good. All right, you guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain backcountry, you guys. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you think we ought to hunt down the owner of this abandoned cabin and see if maybe he'll let us restore it. If you think it's worth restoring. I don't know, we'll see. Thanks again for checking out Rocky Mountain backcountry, you guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And let's go put this X3 Max to use. We'll check you guys later. We're out of here this time.